onion, and tomato.
Paneer, mint chutney, chopped apples, chopped cucumber, and chopped capsicum. Mixed herbs, salt, red chili powder, and chaat masala. Cheese slice and butter.
And ketchup.
Add grated paneer. Add chopped apples to make a unique taste to our sandwich.
Add chopped cucumber. Add chopped bell pepper.
Add mixed herbs. Add red chili powder. And some chaat masala. Salt. Mix together. Add some butter on our breads. Add some mint chutney, but only on one slice.
Spread ketchup in other slice. Add our paneer stuffing. Add cheese slice. Put onion and cucumber. Add tomato.
Flip one slice of the bread to the other. Spread some butter on top of our sandwich. Grill our sandwich. Grill both sides. Cut our sandwich.
Enjoy!
Tasty.